I wonder who's gonna get traded.
Yeah. I think it's gonna be Marble Mesh. She's the most annoying.
Well, it's not my fault that I'm that annoying. I think you're more annoying. I think you're gonna get traded. First of all, you never get used.
Stop fighting.
I think that either Poppet or Marble Mesh is gonna get traded.
Guys, just stop. Oh, she's coming. She's coming. Who should I trade today? I'm gonna trade. Puzzle Ball. She's kinda. I'm getting tired of her.
Oh my god. Oh, I think that's a great trade. Thank you.
Puts back. Oh my god. I can't believe she's gone. You're gonna be so much better.
Yeah, she was very annoying. You're gonna be 10 times better than Puzzle Ball.
Oh yeah, you might know me. I'm quite popular.
Really? Another spoiled brat.
Hey, don't call me a spoiled brat. I can fight back.
Well, who cares?
It seems like you're the spoiled brat here. Guys, just stop fighting. Who cares?
Yeah, guys, just stop fighting. Nothing can be wrong.
The next day.
Do you hear that, guys? Someone's gonna get traded. I think it should be Spike Yo-Yo Squish Ball, I meant. Yeah. I really think so, too. Well, nothing can be like this. She always uses me.
Well, who even cares?
Well, no one cares. No one cares about me.
You guys just stop being a spoiled brat. Look, she's coming. I hope you guys get traded in Fidget Cube. I think I should trade Poppet. And she's kind of annoying. She doesn't really pop that loud. I'm just gonna trade it.
Whatever.
I think we should do this. I think this would be good.
Hi guys! I am Water Timer. Everyone loves me. I'm the popularest girl on earth.
Oh, whatever.
Blah.
Oh, guys, just go to sleep. Well, then we're not gonna be tired.
Well, just go to sleep. Whatever. Never mind. Guys, stop fighting. It's the best thing in the world. I don't understand why you guys are fighting. I've never seen a fight in my life. But maybe you should stop fighting because then we're just gonna get into more consequences. Oh, look, now she's coming back.
I'm just gonna play with the game controller. I love playing with it. Oh my god, I can't believe they're doing this. Oh my god, I can't believe they're doing this.
Huh?
What was that noise? Whatever. It's probably just my imagination. I can't get that thing out of my head. I wonder what it is. Whatever. I'm just gonna stop. I just love this. I just love playing with this. I'm never gonna trade this. I wish if these things could talk, I would tell them that if they were ever fighting, they never could fight over a game controller because they can't. Because it's never gonna get traded. Same too. Maybe Infinity Cube might be traded one day, but I really like playing with her too. We're just gonna never trade these two. I'm probably gonna trade this one tomorrow. Oh my god, guys. They might even trade me. Well, who would ever trade me?
Well, I'm never gonna get traded, as you heard.
Same.
Same. Guys, I hope I don't get traded.
1 month later.
Guys, I'm tired. We haven't even gotten traded at all. She hasn't traded. All she did is play back for us. Never come back for us. Oh look, she's coming!
I'm kind of tired of Water Timer, even though she kind of helps me sleep. Maybe I can get a good offer. If I don't get a good offer, I'll not do this one. Trading Water Timer, going once, going twice, going 3 times. No one.
Me.
Okay, what's your offer?
I'll trade. This. I don't know. This comb. This comb. Green pea popper.
Sure.
There you go.
I'm back. Okay.
This is to my fidget collection. Wakes up.
Oh my god.
Who is this?
Stop being a stupid idiot. Wait, where is Spike Ball? Oh, it must have traded a lot. Wait, Water Timer 2? Whatever. I didn't like them anyways.
Guys, yay!
Hi. Hi, I'm Green Pea Popper. Sorry if I speak low. Sometimes I do that. Can you even work? I'll try. I can't. Well, Marble Math, why are you not saying anything?
I'm sorry. You don't have to get offended by that.
Well, I do.
Wait, she's getting traded. Someone's getting traded. Close your eyes. Sleep or whatever. Okay. What do I do?
Well, you can talk. Oh no, never non-existed. Get out of my collection. You know what? Never mind. I'm trading you. Yeah, I'm trading you. Trading Green Pea Popper. Going once, going twice, going 3 times. Maybe this DIY Tangle? Sure. Here's my Green Pea Popper. Hey guys. Oh wait, no. Sorry guys, that was a mess up.
Green line.
Is he gonna talk? Does he even talk? No more freaking talking toys. I'm gonna play with game controller. Wow, she seems harsh. Come back. Oh, look, she's coming. I want to play with the DIY tingle. Stuck on my finger. I kind of want to trade. It's kind of boring. I want to see if I can trade it for a real tingle. By the way, if you want to know how to make this, it's really easy. I'll make another DIY how to make the toy video soon. Okay, back to the video. Ugh. I wish she gets traded. Yeah. Okay, I'm just gonna trade this. It's kind of boring. I'm just see if I can trade for a real one. I could trade it for a real tingle. Trading real tingle. Going once, going twice, going 3 times. Me. I'll trade this DIY tingle. Accepted. There you go. Oh, broke. Whatever. Whoa, this tingle is so cool. It's 10 times better. I'm gonna add it to my collection. Guys, there's someone else here. I wonder if he talks. Hey, get up. Stop being a spoiled brat. Stop being a spoiled brat. I'm sorry. Oh my god. She seems so nice. What's your name? My name is Tangle. Oh, nice name. Why are you so quiet? Because I am, I guess, and everyone tangles me up. Oh, quiet, she's coming back. I'm gonna untangle Tangle. Cause you get it? You can untangle a tangle, blah, blah. Whatever. I'm just speaking jokes to myself. Whatever. There we go. Untangle Tangle. I'm untangled, I guess. Now I can walk. Yeah. I think that's a bad idea. I'm telling ya. Next week. I haven't looked at my collection in like a week. I'm gonna check on it. Wait, this is not how I left my collection. This is not how I left my collection. This is not how I left it. I'm getting rid of Tangle. Tomorrow, I may get rid of Tangle forever. All of my fidget toys are never gonna be in existence after. They're never. I'm just gonna have DIY ones forever. What? Okay.